Understanding, guarded recipe, unlocking the secrets of English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, guarded recipe. This phrase is not just about cooking. It's a rich part of the English language. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the intriguing stories behind it. Guarded recipe refers to a recipe that is kept secret and protected by someone, usually because it's considered valuable or special. This phrase is often used in contexts where a family, chef, or company has a unique recipe they don't want to share with others. It's not just about the ingredients. It's about the heritage, tradition, and sometimes, the commercial advantage it holds. While this phrase originates from cooking, it's used in broader contexts too. For instance, in business, a company might refer to its business strategy as a guarded recipe for success. It implies that there is a unique formula which they believe is key to their achievements and is not openly shared. Let's look at some examples. 1. The bakery's guarded recipe for its famous chocolate cake has been passed down for generations. 2. The tech company keeps its algorithm a guarded recipe, ensuring a competitive edge in the market. These examples show how guarded recipe can apply to both culinary and non-culinary contexts, emphasizing the concept of exclusivity and value. In many cultures, recipes are more than just instructions for cooking. They are heritage and history. A guarded recipe often holds stories of family traditions and cultural identity. Understanding this phrase also means appreciating the emotional and cultural weight it carries. I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, guarded recipe, and its rich implications in the English language. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and cultures they represent. Keep exploring and happy learning!